Hello student. Today we are going to start the topic lesson number 13, carbon an important element. Now, what is meant by carbon? Symbol of carbon, their atomic number, atomic mass number, their electronic configuration, and what is carbon is metal or non-metal. What is the symbol of carbon? Carbon symbol is C. Then atomic mass number is 12, atomic number 6, mass number is 12, and electronic configuration of carbon is the carbon in its last cell. How many electrons are present? 4 electrons are present in K cell, 2 electron, and remaining 4 electrons are in K cell, L cell, sorry. So the last cell in an atom of carbon is 4 electron, and hence the valency of carbon is 4. Now carbon is a non-metallic element. Now this type of question asked in examination: what is the symbol of carbon, what is the atomic number of carbon, atomic mass number, write its electronic configuration, write its valency, carbon is metallic or non-metallic, like as type of question asked in examination. Now what is occurrence of carbon? Occurrence of carbon occur in nature, carbon occur in nature, combined state as well as in free state. So combined state are found in carbon dioxide, also carbide, fossil fuel, carbohydrate nutrient, carbohydrate proteins, natural fiber, cotton, wool. Means all these main constraint is carbon, and carbon they are treat another react with another metals, another elements, and to formation in the form of combined state. But carbon are found in nature, are also in free state, like as graphite, diamond, and also fullerene. Now properties of carbon. Now properties of carbon. Allotrophic in nature. What is meant by allotrophy? Some element are occur in nature more than one form and are called as allotrophic. Means allotrophic means the chemical properties of these different forms are same, but their physical properties are different. And now this property of elements, it is called as allotroph. Like as example, diamond is also main constant is carbon, made from carbon, it is main chemical constant. And full for carbon, diamond and for graphite also main constant are there, carbon. But diamond is beauty, shiny, hard, and they are like as physical form of their graphite is black in color, and hence different physical form they occur in nature. Some element they occur in nature are more than one form, same chemical structure, same chemical constraint, but differ their form, it is differ their physical form, it is called as the allotrophy. So allotroph of carbon, two allotroph of carbon, one is crystalline form, another is non-crystalline. So what is meant by crystalline? Like as in the form of crystal, like as sugar in the form of crystal, like as that this element, this carbon allotroph found in nature is crystalline and also amorphous. So crystalline form of carbon is like as three allotroph of carbon: diamond also, graphite also, and fullerene also. Now three type of crystalline forms of allotroph of carbon we have to study day to day life. Now a crystalline form of what is meant by crystalline form? A crystalline form has a regular and definite geometric arrangement of atoms. They have high melting points and high boiling points. A crystalline form has a definite geometrical shape, sharp edges, and plane surface also. Carbon has three crystalline allotroph. First is diamond. Diamond occur in nature, or they are found in Golconda, like in Golconda, Karnataka, Panna, Madhya Pradesh. Diamond are also found in South Africa, Brazil, Bengaluru, Russia, and of America also. Now structure of diamond. Diamond, every carbon atoms is bonded four uh, neighboring atoms, and therefore diamond has a tetragonal three-dimensional structure, and which make a very hard. Properties: a brilliant and pure diamond is the hardest natural substance. The density of diamond is 3.5 grams cm cube. The melting point of diamond is high, 3005 degree Celsius. Now diamond They are constraint, they are joining of covalent bond in each carbon constraint carbon atom linking. It is very hard and hence high amount of energy required to breaking this bond. Now and hence a melting point of diamond is very high. So bond breaking phenomenon we have to occur in 3500 degrees Celsius also. When diamond is heated to up to 800 degree Celsius also. Diamond are heated up to and they are release carbon and oxygen is we have to react with each other to formation of carbon dioxide gas also. And in this process diamond does not dissolve in any solvent. Acid then not dissolve like as the salt is dissolved in water is miscibility, but diamond is not easily dissolved in any solvent also. Diamond is not react with acid and bases also. Now uses diamond are used in the glass cutting and rock drilling machine also. Diamond are also knives are used in eye surgery also. They are used there. Diamond dust is used in polishing other diamonds. Diamond is used to make windows, giving protection from radiation in space and in the artificial satellite. Now graphite. Graphite is also second most crystalline form of allotrope of carbon. Graphite is found in the natural state Russia, New Zealand, America, India, and also lead is used in pencil is made by mixing of graphite with clay, and this process was discovered by Nicholas Jacques Conti in 1795 also. Now structure. Every carbon atom of graphite is bonded to their three other carbon atoms and in such a way that the hexagonal layer structure is formed. A graphite crystal is made of many sheets or layer of carbon atoms, and this layer of slip over each other and applying pressure, and one layer of graphite is called as graphene. Now properties of graphite. Graphite is found in nature is black, soft, brittle and slippery, and inside each a layer of graphite is free electron move continuously within entire structure layer, and that is why graphite is also good conductor of electricity, means presence of free electrons also in their outermost shell. Now due to this layered structure of graphite is used in writing paper also. Then the density of graphite is 1.9 to 2.3 grams cm cube, and graphite does not dissolve in any most solvent. Uses. A graphite is used to mixing a lubricant also. Graphite is used to making carbon electrodes. Graphite is used to pencils writing, and graphite is used to paints and polish. Graphite is also used arc lamp which gives a very bright light also.